continue to watch this video if you want to see and how I made this delicious candied yam. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. It is so good, so flavorful. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive more delicious videos like these, okay? So stay tuned for the whole video. Not going away. Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some southern style candied yam. Yes. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 3 large sweet potato, okay? So this is it right here. And this is the size that I'm using. And what I did guys, I just cut it. You can always use a knife or a potato peeler and peel off the excess skin from it and just cut it in circle, okay? Like so. Yeah. So this is my sugar right here. I'm gonna use granulated sugar and dark sugar. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of my dark sugar and just ½ cup of granulated sugar, okay? And this is my butter, and this is salted butter. And guys, I'm using at least 3 tablespoons with some vanilla, 1 spoonful of vanilla. And these are all of my spices. Here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm also gonna add some mixed spice, okay, which is totally optional. But guys, the ingredients for the mixed spice is cinnamon powder, nutmeg, coriander seed, clove, pimento, and ginger. Yes, you have this sweetness to it, so it's gonna add a lot of flavor to the candied yam, okay? Yeah. So I'm just gonna spray. Here I have my baking tray, and I'm just gonna spray some olive oil to the bottom of it. And guys, I already have a video on my channel on how I make my candied yam, but that one is different. That one I cook it on the stove. This one I'm gonna bake it, yeah? So now I'm just gonna add my potatoes, my sweet potato, and you just wanna line it down like that. I like candied yam. I make it before and it's so nice. It's sweet, but honestly the flavor is amazing. Super delicious. So that's 1 layer down. So I'm just gonna add some of my sugar. You want to sprinkle it on it like that. Then I'm gonna add my spices, and you want to make sure guys that you blend it all together. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on your potatoes. And I'm just gonna add my remaining potatoes. So now I'm just adding some more of my sugar. I just want to carry on with the same process, okay? And guys, leave back some of your sugar. I'm gonna add some of it at the end of the video, but just continue to watch it, okay? Just gonna add my remaining spices. And my butter. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 30 minutes for now, okay? And 100 to 200 degrees Celsius, okay? And I'm gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of water, okay? For it to cook nicely down. And I'm also gonna add some of my vanilla. Just leave back some. Then I'm gonna cover it, guys, with my foil paper. So guys, I'm not gonna fully cover it with my foil paper, okay? I'm gonna leave out just a bit of gap, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna make excess liquid and you don't need that. Yeah, so that's perfect. So guys, my candied yam been in my oven just over 30 minutes. So now I'm just gonna remove the foil from it. So that's what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna flip them over like so. So the other side will cook. Honestly, the smell, oh my goodness, you could smell the cinnamon powder. All those spices just smell amazing. So good. This recipe is really delicious, guys. It is so good. You just make sure you try and flip them all as possible. So as soon as you flip it all over, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour that liquid all over it like so. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, guys. Super delicious. I wish you guys would be in my kitchen. Honestly, it smells amazing. Amazing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 30 to 35 minutes, okay? Because you want your potato to nice and soft. Not too soft, but you know. I'm gonna add my remaining vanilla, and I'm gonna also cover it up, okay? I'm just gonna cover it just halfway, guys, like so, okay? Not so much. And I'm gonna turn up my stove just over 200 degrees Celsius. Yes. So I cook faster. So guys, I just removed my candied yam back from the oven, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it look amazing. But guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 10 minutes, okay? And it is ready. But what I'm gonna do, guys, what you can always do, you can always add some more sugar to it if you want it to be more stickier, okay? So I'm just gonna add it on like so. For it to be more stickier. So I'm just gonna add all my sugar, okay? And it's gonna become really, really, really stickier even more. So guys, my candied yam is finally finished. As you can see, it is bubbling up. I'm telling you, it came out so perfect. Look at that. Super, super delicious. So yummy. So nicely done. Guys, if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like. You can tag me on Instagram at Jody Cooking, okay? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it, okay? So the potato, guys, is just nice and firm. It's not too soft. I want to show you guys. Yeah, that's exactly how I want it. Still a bit firm. Look at that. So good. Let me cool it and taste some. The flavor is so good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Guys, until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.